Hi. Jesus Christ, the past 3 days was busy as fuck. I finally have free time this week. Ah, thank God. Also, welcome. Jesus Christ, I didn't think you would be here because I remember saying that it's like... Last time I streamed, you said it was like 3 a.m. for you. But that was 5 for me, so now it's 9, so that's 4 hours later. Isn't it just like 7 for you? Anyway, yeah, as you can see, I have like no stream schedule, and I legit have nothing planned, so I'm just gonna work on my game today because I'm way behind on my project. I also took a sip of water just before you redeem, so that counts. But yeah, it's 6:41 a.m. That's what I thought. You have like, you either don't sleep or you're unemployed, probably both, or you work at night. Alright, let's get started. Man, it's been a while since I did a game dev stream. I think it's been like 2 months, probably. Since you're new, I need to show you what's going on. Hold on. Nice. Does this work? Hold on. Let me just do this real quick. There we go. Okay, this is what I got so far. Yeah. I actually did a little bit of change on this specific character, where before it used to shoot the apple in a straight line, but now you can see it shoots in an arc. Ah shit, fire arrow. But yeah, and it also moves with player's Y velocity, so you can make it go up or go down, like that. I need to submit a game to IGDB so I can stream it to my audience of 0. That's crazy. You get my game on itch. I don't advertise my game that much anyway. Anyway, that's all I have. What I need to do is make this boss, which is gonna take a while because I literally have no directions. Fuck, hold on, let me go get my cookies. I forgot my cookies. I'll be back. I got my cookies. Okay. Let me turn on the text. Oh my god, it's neat. It's neat. It's been a while. I was going to say, but I'm actually also a C# dev. I never used Unity, but yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. Yeah, I feel like a lot of people know C# because Unity is like the second most, if not like the most popular game engine out there. Alright. Now, how should I even do it? I don't even know what to do with this specific character because I know she jumps around, but I don't know the workflow, or I don't know how she cycles through her attack because she has the dash, right? She has a dash, and then she has the idle function, and then she has the shoot. But hold on, should you actually play Portal? Yes, I played Portal. I will check that VOD later. Yeah, it's fun. It was fun. I like it. Give me my cookie. Okay, Chrome. There's also a jump back. Jump back. How would I do that? Okay, regarding jumping back, let me see. Because we're recording jumping back. Let me. No, out. But. If face right, then something happens. Honestly, team elements, okay, it just feels so good. Actually, I think it's kind of I think you need to think about that. Yeah. It's a reminder to save my game, actually. There we go. I saved it. You never know. So if face right, then body dot velocity equals negative, I don't know, some random number, I guess. It's more or less a dash function. If that's true, that's true, couldn't I just do that? Do this actually, property track for enemy velocity. Where the fuck is the velocity? Oh god. Hold on, I'm trying to find the velocity. You're not seeing it, but I'm trying to find it. X? No. Velocity. Character factors, yes, relative, no. Really? Can I not? What? Ah, what do you mean I can't do that? What? Position? What if I do position instead? No. What if I do move X slope? Or method? Not blend shape. Method. No. Wait. No, I can't do velocity. What? That is so stupid. What about position? Move local? Move local X. Apply local translation on node's X axis with the amount specified in delta. If scale is false, normalized movement occur independently on the node scale. I like to see. How's your timeout? What? Why did you redeem timeout? Who do you want to timeout, yourself? I should change that so that it writes something. Who do you want to timeout? Yeah, how the description is, I guess I'll time you out. For 1 million year. No. I forgot what I did. 10 minutes? Was it 10 minutes? Could be 10 minutes, right? I just do 5. If anything, I'll just do another 5. Alright. That actually helps me focus. I need to like talk to myself because... Okay, argument, load value... 10. Type on... If scared is false, independently of the nodes. Okay, no need to worry about that. Jump back. I'm just gonna do a shoots animation. There, dot. Current animation. Pause. Jump back. Like that. Whoa. Why does it do that? Why does it do that? It's not even moving, what? I think I fucked that up pretty hard. Hold on. Huh. Right, it's probably because of the animation player. The sprite clearly works, it's just the animation state. Let's actually just worry about the intro. Yeah. Ready? I'll just do a sphere like that. Dash. If I do a grid, is the animation fucking messing it up? Jump back, gotta remove that shit. Okay, so it's like that. Wait, why? 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 Is it in the reset? Position X? Oh, fuck me. I'm just gonna temporarily lock this shit. Gonna do a intro for first time, I guess. As that. Fuck. God, this is a. I don't know. It's just. It's very easy to do. It's just there's a lot of ways to do like this or to do it. So I don't know which one to do. There's lots of ways to do it. I can either do it through code or through animation player. Make a new animation. Enter arena. Enter arena. Commented. Not on the enemy body, on the sprite. So it does a face player like that. That 5-minute time was truly light. I'm a change man. I learned what was those 5 minutes in my entire life. I faced a void. I stared into it. The void said you have been time for 5 minutes, and I said, okay, I accept it. They said it takes 21 days to form a habit. I did it in 5 minutes. I have simply built different. Thank you, you know, I wouldn't trade it for anything. Bro is doing too much. Oh shit, I can reference other... Oh, that's so cool. Wait, why did I think of that? Audio playback are busier. What's busier? I definitely need to pin this and do it later because I know what to do with this. Ah, great. The worst part is that I couldn't claim the high rate or stretch rewards during that time. Gives me a bit of break. I guess. Okay, hold on. Events, right? Event triggers. Event 2, which I can do a node. So node 2D layer. Point. Do it like this. I can definitely call that, right? Commented on yeah, look at better counts. Oh, fuck it, I'm just... That's too complex. Or that's too tedious, I'm just gonna write it in here somewhere. That first time. Look at... For... What's it called? Land point equals get dot get node, or just do get node flare land point dot global position. Yeah. Actually, do I even need a first time? I don't think so. No, I don't. I don't. I can rename this to Enter Arena. So it looks at the land point and then what? And then what? I can make it. Right. Body dot look at. There we go. Remember that. Landed equals false. Oh god, this is gonna be some fucking spaghetti ass code. I'm gonna hate this so much because it's spaghetti code, but I really have no choice because I suck at this. Entering phase variable. So landed equals false. For end. Enter and var enter begin. Not begin. Enter begin equals false equals true or false as well. I wonder if there should be like some random variable. I think I can figure it out. For right now I can just work on the flares cycle before anything. That's the name of the song. So if landed, wait, is there a function enum? What's enum? I remember enum is for something. That might be important. Enum and go dot. I haven't researched it. I've seen a video thumbnail of this. Enum states by overloading attacks. Ah, okay. Basically, is variables. Position where variable can only be one of a limited fixed set of objects such as player or enemy states, auto running, attacking, item types, or rarity. This is a perfect time to learn this, actually. I don't. Okay, this here a constant, huh? Okay, I don't really need this at the moment. Hydrate. Oh my god. Fuck. I've been here for half an hour and I got nothing done. Fucking hell. Okay. Gotta chop chop. If how actually translate the translate function. Translate global translate offset vector to so. But there's no delta. Vector 2 0 0. Yeah, but how to translate a node over time codon. Times speed times delta. Okay. Okay. Times speed times delta. Right. I think I should make it so that she is already not affected by gravity, so that's perfect. I guess I can do something like if not enter n, that means it's still going then. You don't work for a game to around 3 FPS? No. If not enter n, then position dot or position plus vector 2 parent body dot global position equals vector 2 numbers. This is plus, so -1 1 times delta times I don't fucking know, some random number. I just do 1000. If not enter n and not landed. If parent body dot is on floor, then landed equals true, and enter n equals true. That should be good, right? So if I can make this like number like really so like 100, why not? Let's just make this number 100. Shoot, click arrow, jump back, face player, update animation, update hitbox. Enter arena. Enter arena. Like that. Look at land point. Oh fuck. Nope, that doesn't work either. Shit. On. Ready. Like that. Now please work. Please work. Nope. No instance. Right. If land point, then this happens. Wow. Land points. Stop printing land points. Object, no. Why? That shouldn't be possible. Is it because of this fucking thing? It's probably because of this fucking thing. Well, I'll just do it like that. It's still object, no. If not land point, then land point was get node land point, and then it's gonna call. Wait, did it even call? It only called once. I'm just gonna do this. Still object, no, that's not possible. What? Turn off the fan, it's getting, it's fine, I'm not cold, or I'm not hot. Oh, wait. This. There we go. Fuck. I forgot all that. Oh, global position. to be looking? Look at. Get angle to? Ha. Why doesn't it work? Why not? Why not? Why? Why isn't it working? There's something missing. Must more blood be shed? Why isn't this working? Sorry, eating my cookie right now. Is there something missing? It kinda works. Is it because of the position? It's probably because of the position. Yeah, I'm translated by position, not velocity. What about... Where the fuck is it? What? Why is it so slow? Why is it so slow? It ain't supposed to be this slow. What? Ah, it's the rotation is kind of wrong. Shit. You're not even looking at me. What? Why are you not looking at me? What even said I just do it like this? That works. But what about... the hitboxes? Yeah, there's no changes to hitbox. The hitbox doesn't change. Okay. Oh boy. Ah, this is gonna take a while to solve. I wanted to look down. What if I hard code it so that it only rotates at 45-degree angle downward? That can work actually. Yeah. Okay, let's do that. Let's just ignore all previous instruction. Arena. Body dot. You know what? I think I did it right. The problem was... oh god. Oh god. Imagine if this was the problem. I don't think it's a problem, but we can look at it, I guess. This. Okay, so I was correct. It's just I forgot about the fucking position. Okay. should be a blur script. Yeah, blur GD shader. It's probably not here. It's probably in this sprite. Yeah, something like this. Chanela. Their speed. Velocity equals their times speed. How long? I want to make it seamless. You know what, I just worry. I'm gonna worry about that. I just need to build the function first. So yeah, I'm thinking too much about this. I'm doing a breadth first search instead of depth first search. Right now what I need to do is get the velocity, so I make it dash, so there times speed times, or there times speed, yeah. After that I can do a wait, get timer, time, dot timeout. After that parent body, dot vector 2.0. Yeah. Turn on the fan again because it's hot. I can also do a regarding the look at, right? What about dash, velocity, third speed? Okay, so rotate. Actually, we got rotate on velocity. Goes through. After that, do dot rotate. Goes false and then dot rotation equals 0. And then velocity is 0, and that's the dash function. Okay, I got a dash function down. Alright, that's just for the dash function. After that, I can do a dash vector 2, negative 1, 1. Speed is 500, time is 1 second. Something like that. Fuck. Get tree done. Timeout, fuck. Okay, and then once landed, so landed rotation, parent body. Wait, did I even check for landed? No. Actually, yes. Actually, this should only execute once. Enter true, enter true. False. And body dot rotation degrees equals 0. This is not going adding on stream intentionally. It's my fan, my loud ass fan, because it's hot. Why is it flipped like that? Anyway, if parent body dot is on floor, then something happens. Hydrate, fuck. Getting rid of my kidney stone for me. So if parent body is on floor, then what? I can actually just fucking remove this and paste it in here because it's basically the same function. It happens. Why is it because of the sprite that's doing that? Still flip. No, we wouldn't flip. Huh. Damn it! What? There's no way. I'm gonna move the dash function up. There we go. Damn, this is actually harder than I thought. What? I thought it would be more simpler. So okay, this is called constantly. That means I need to remove this. Pass. Do that. That makes sense because it's being called constantly. That means I can do it like this. Can I do a stop function? I wonder if that's a thing, because I know Godot has it, or Unity has that. How to stop a function Godot. If not, it's active as a function logic. Return. Oh, it's just return. Okay, so I can say if parent body dot is on floor, then return. Would that work? Still doesn't work. No. What the fuck do I do? Why is this so much more complicated than it needs to be? Also, it flips. Why? If I do this, it shouldn't move, right? Does that. Face player. No. Damn, hold on. Oh, now it flips forward. What? Maybe I can miss the direction and yeah, slightly above like that. Right? Fuck. Dude, how do I solve this? This is like a puzzle in itself, man. What the fuck do I do? So it needs to flip when it's way too upside down. But how? But how? How? It shouldn't flip either. it's flipping. Okay. So floor knocked back an opportunity can flip and flip. It shouldn't flip by itself, I think. It's not even flipping. It shouldn't be flipping. What? Yeah, it's not even flipping. So it's just some bullshit code, I guess. What? I don't think it's supposed to do that. Is it? You know what, let's take a short break and just, I don't know, hold on. Let me look up on Amazon because there's a package that I'm expecting. Let's see. Driving Wednesday. Okay. Oh my god, sponsor for you. It's trying to sell RAM to me. It's fucking $400. Who the hell buys a 32 gigabyte 6000 megahertz fucking DDR5 RAM for $400, man? What the fuck? Oh god, the RAM prices. I used to buy that. How much? I don't even know. I forgot, but I bought it for fucking dirt cheap, man. Okay, not dirt cheap, but let me check. Check. 2025. How much did I buy the RAM for? Wait, it's not on. Oh wait, I bought it on Newegg. Okay, I'm not gonna check that. But I remember buying fucking RAM for dirt cheap. Thank fucking god I decided to buy my PC then, because yeah, fucking AI bullshit. God, I hate it. Like, I feel bad for the upcoming people who's wanting to buy PC. So crazy, bad. Okay, so back on topic. How should I do this? So it's -1. So I guess I can do... I don't fucking know. I remember this doesn't work, but I'm gonna try it again anyway. Let's try it. Yeah, that shit doesn't work. It's probably because it's on the ceiling. Scale is -1. Oh, wait. -1. Why is it flipping by Y? What? Wait, why is it flipping by Y? Wait, that's weird. Hold on, hold on, hold on. What's it flipping right at? What? That's some high class bullshit. Scale by Y, so okay, it goes by the Y axis. That means flipping by X goes this way. Yeah. That's very weird, but I'm not gonna judge, I guess. If pairing body that is on floor. Something like that. That's some serious bullshit. Why does it flip like that? Why is it flipping by? Why? That's so stupid. It's flipping by why? How? Head is as a body, head is less in player. Then flip, now face. Head body, head player, and body is less in player. Right. Right? Then flip. Now face left. But why? Why does that work? Is it because scale? There's like scale. No. How does this shit work? You know what? There's a flip function. Airplay or face right. What if instead, if everybody is on floor, then parent body ought to flip like that. Why does it flip like that? That's crazy. Is the X and Y axis really that fucked? Get it. Man, this stream is going nowhere. What the fuck? Please work. Okay, that works. Damn, I got some thick ass Miku ass on my Twitter timeline. That's crazy. Sorry, just a little bit of distraction. So why does this? Is Flare? Where the hell is Flare? Rotation of Flare. What about rotation on this? Why do I move this out? Why? What's going on? Something's missing. Something's weird. Enter arena. Is it because of the enter arena? No, that can't be right. There's nothing calling that. Just be safe though. Maybe it's because of the no. It only works when it's mid-air. Something's up. Something is very, very wrong. What if I don't flip? Period. What the fuck? Man, this shit is so fucked. What the hell? Now it's the other side. Man, what the fuck is this? Ah, what the fuck is this? I hate this. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Dude, I'm losing my mind. I don't know what to do. Oh god. Why does it flip like that? It shouldn't flip like that. Right. Maybe this. You know what? Let me go. Fuck. Fuck. Maybe this. Oh god, imagine if that's the one word that I was missing. There's no way. There's no way. Yeah, no. Yeah, there was no way. It's still doing whatever the fuck that is. The only difference now It can flip the sprite, it just can't flip the whole thing. Yeah. I have an idea. So instead of flipping the whole body, I just flip the collision and the sprite. So I can do scared on X. Now, why does it only do it once? Like this. There we go. That means I can do collision. I have the... No, I don't have the fucking collision. Okay. Actually, no, I do have the collision. Collision shape 2D. I think collision shape 2D is the problem here, not the... Now if I do the affected by gravity, I'm gonna assume it's the same problem here. So there's no way the problem is this simple. That was the problem? What? That was the problem. Oh my god. Okay. Now, okay, bro. Ugh. There is no way. All that just for that. Okay. That is so stupid. Fuck. All that just for that. All that just for me to like add 2 extra lines. Okay. 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 Now, on to the next problem. So if it's on floor, landed through, enter and through, bare body rotation 3, if body's on floor, that means dashing equals false. Right? so either way they're grounded. That's not good. So air grounded dashing is false. Maybe I shouldn't do that. Or maybe I can. Actually, no, I shouldn't. There's a jump up function, right? Yes, there was a jump up function if I remember. Jump up. Okay. I can edit camera later. For now, I could do an enter. Enter arena dash. You know, one. Yeah, just this. Speed, or speed, yeah. Which means I can do that, move that. When it if not landed, then memory dot velocity dot x equals 0. There we go. That should work. Now I can do a, what do I call it? Arena, I can do inner body dot rotate on dot equals true. Now that's a problem right there. If face left. Okay, so I can do if face or if face right. If not face, I don't want to do the exclamation mark because I need to see the red knot just to be clear. enough face right and dot current equals dash. Dash, not dashing, correct? Dash. Oh, this is definitely gonna be buggy. That's for sure. If I give it a bit of time, it should be fine. If I'll face right and dash. Yeah, it's never gonna be buggy because it's just, because both of these will be true the entire time. That it's gonna be true. If that even makes sense. I mean, it's just gonna keep flipping if I do what I do. So can't do that. Or maybe I can. Maybe like that. No. What do I do? Crap, this is not working. Or I can switch these two numbers around. Yeah, something is which I don't like. How do you do this? So there are two possibilities, or there are two ways that it will go. So condition one is if the player is to the left, which Flare would have to flip. The other condition is if Flare's rotation is more than 180 degrees, then she will flip. I can do else if, so that is two different conditions. Yeah. Mid-air. I can do mid-air. Dash. Okay, yeah, I can do a mid-air, so it's a two separate function. If parent body dot rotation degrees is greater than 180, then face right, it's more face right, then face left. Face right. Then face right, close not face right. And scale dot x equals negative scale dot x collision shape 2D dot scale dot x equals negative collision shape 2D dot scale dot x. Okay, instead of checking less or greater than 180, I can say it's between, yeah, between 0 and 180. So why don't you just say less than 0? Elif parent body dot degrees. Were you winning, kid? No, I'm not. I'm winning just a little, I guess. Ready? And 0, and... Wait, it's greater than 0. And not face. Right. I spent like an hour and something minutes just to realize, or not to realize, just to learn that I can just... Previously, I did... If I'm trying to solve the flipping mechanics, and I've been flipping the parent body, which is this thing right here. This thing right here. If you see on the top left. But that didn't really work because it flips over on the y-axis too. So instead I flipped two things. I flipped the sprite and I flipped the collision. And that works. And that took me an hour to figure it out, and it's so stupid and I hate it. Now I'm trying to solve for when she is rotating, because she's gonna be rotating. So fuck, not like that. She's gonna be rotating like this, and I wanted to, so from here to here is between 0 and 180. When it's 0 and 180, she's facing right. If not, if it's between 0 and negative 180, then she's facing left. And not, yeah. So if it's less than 0 and not face right, then, or greater than 0, so that means she's face right equals true. Scale dot x equals negative. Scale dot x relationship 2d dot scale dot x equals negative collision 2d dot scale dot x. Please work. Please work. I don't think it's gonna work. It didn't work. It didn't work at all. Okay. Actually, that's only because I didn't call the fucking thing. So what I need to do is call it mid-air flip. I've got another function. It's on floor. Else, layer flip. Face player. Is it being called anywhere? What about that? I mean to say earlier, but I played the first 2 levels boss segment of those 2 runs, and 3F is literally unplayed, so I stopped there, but have fun doing those 2 stages. That's fucking weird, because okay, the game, I mean the game is small as fuck. Why is it running at 3 FPS? So unless you have like really bad PC or a bad computer, I don't think it's supposed to run at 3 FPS. Like I'm just gonna assume that you're using a school laptop. And I'm planning to have like character switching mechanic too. So instead of, because initially I was like, oh, what if I just make a game where you can play the game over and over but with different characters, but then I was like, nah, that's way too repetitive. What if I can just play all characters at the same time? So I'm gonna have character switching at some point. I just need to figure out this fuck ass thing first. To be fair, I did use a lot of GPU particles, so if you don't have a good GPU, I'm gonna play something else. Hold on. Let me try to find some song to play. Okay. Mid air. Print. Face. It should be printing false. Printing true. Why is it printing true? That shouldn't be possible. Facing right and face right. Less than 180. Okay, what if I do... If this is rule or parent body dot rotation degrees is greater 180. Okay. Now if not face right, I can do if this or rotation degrees is less than 180. And it is very much not a school laptop. I'm kind of waiting to say the performance review, but it is Lenovo IdeaPad through which Intel Core I Intel HD graphics GPU. I try back to the Ryzen 5 to see if it's any better. Intel HD graphics iGPU. I've never heard of that fucking GPU before. What? How old is this laptop? I'm gonna assume not old because it's Lenovo. In 2014. Released in 2014. What the hell? Wait, it is old. It's over 10 years old. Oh, you... I mean, okay, it's... Yeah, I think you need an upgrade, like desperately. But then again, job not okay. Yes, job market is shit, but GPU is also shit too. So unfortunately for you, it might not be compatible. The game might not be compatible for you. Unless you set up a no, for 2014 system would probably get crashed by a virtual machine too. Yeah, probably don't have enough RAM. But Ryzen 5 might be better. Sure. Anyway. Let's try this again. Print. scale anymore. Or maybe I need. 2014 was 2015 and I have 16 GB of RAM. Either way, either way, the GPU is pretty old. Actually, I can look up the equivalent to like equivalence. It's equivalent to NVIDIA GeForce 820M. I don't even know. I've never heard of that model before. What the hell? Wait, this shit is old. Oh, what the hell? Yeah, no. Oh, yeah, you're. Oh my god. Yeah, this shit is old. You need an upgrade. I'm gonna forget how old my shit truly is. Yeah, it's. One of my friends has like a NVIDIA, some GTX 620, and I thought that was old, but no, yours older. Holy shit. Anyhow, oh yeah, my is my fucking house, I guess. The house that I built. It's a little ugly because it has the hitboxes on, but trust me, it's better when it's not, you know, when hitbox is not here. Also, why is it glitching? It's not supposed to be glitching. What? Why? Why? Why is it glitching? It's not supposed to be glitching. It doesn't have any sound right now because it's mute, and because I really don't want to hear my game right now. Sound design is pretty ass, so I'm not gonna bother with it right now though. I think I can make it print rotation to check the rotation print. Parent body down rotation. Oh right, rotation is 0, right? For parent body. Yeah. Is it? Degrees. 135. Equals 135. Damn, why was it 135? That's weird. In the opposite direction? What? Why is it 135 in the opposite direction? That's weird. So if not face right, which it is, so if it's face right, if rotation is 135, so that means it's greater than 0 and less than 180, so that's 135. However, not face right, then I need to switch this. Man, this rotation shit is weird. Jesus Christ, the performance is somehow the same as my AMD Ryzen 5 5500G. Ryzen 5 500G. It is a budget-friendly 6-core 12-thread desktop processor based on is a processor. How old is this? It's sold for $90 on Best Buy. What? 5500 doesn't have integrated graphic. Yeah, I mean, obvious. Okay, yeah. I mean, yeah, why would you even try it in the first place? Because Ryzen doesn't have integrated graphics. So, of course, it's going to be worse than GP, the Intel one. So, you're telling me you don't have a GPU. Oh, that hurts. 2022. But do you have a graphics card? That's a real question there. I almost, yeah, when I heard like, oh my god, it's from 2014, I had my hands behind my head like the fucking monkey. Holy shit, it's old. Anyway, okay, I need this to be slower so I can. See that. That's pretty slow. The AMD IGB is about equal to NVIDIA 1030. 1030. I'm not even gonna bother asking. I'm just gonna assume this is very old. 1030. What? GTX 1030? Is that even a thing anymore? I know 1060 exists, and a lot of people say it was good. The GTX models. I don't know about the rest though. Engine dot timescale equals 0.5. I'm just gonna let it play like that so that I'm not gonna die on this hill though. What hill is there to die on? Oh god. There was no hill to die on. Anyway, shit. How do I solve this rotation problem? You know what? Let's just fucking Google it. I'm sick of this shit. How to rotate, but keeping upright position dot. Look at what? Wait, is look at a thing? I mean, okay, yes, look at is a thing, but like look at. It's only looking at a point. there's no other. Key radius agree. I'm just gonna use global. Why don't we change everything to global? It's still 35. It shouldn't be 135. So not face right. This is somehow super fucking tough for no reason. So 135. Flip into -1. Let's do dash. So 135. Man, this one is actually hard. Like, I can't figure out a way to do this. Why don't we just start from scratch? No. Let's just start from nothing, I guess. That's 135. Okay, I remember now. It's because the direction is not up, it's to the right. Okay, so if the direction is to the right, that means 0, 180. 0, 90, 180. But the point would still stand correct if it's over 180. 90. Okay. negative 90. If it's more than negative 90, if face right, if it's more than 90 or less than negative 90, then flip. So 135. That. Maybe one will flip like that. Ah, God! I know that way to get time out, but here we are. Jesus Christ, masochistic fuck. Did you redeem twice? Why would you redeem twice? Holy shit. I guess I just time you out for 10 minutes, but like, I'm gonna end stream soon anyway, so I guess I just wait for the 10 minutes. 6:34 seconds. Oh, that's a scam. Oh, I fucking scammed. Actually, I got time. I timed you out for more than it's worth. So basically, I'm losing the points here. Okay, so it's probably not one. It's probably this. Then scale dot y gives negative scale dot y. Okay. Something like this. That is so weird. Now, how would you flip yourself upright? Face right, rotation. Okay, what if I just... So instead of going to the left, I'll do the right. Just a test. Just a test. Shit. Hold on. Move it a little. Okay, that works. That means the side. I'll do a face player. If not face right, then rotation degree this. God. So less than negative 90. Or more than 90, right? So it's the same shit. Wait. Huh. So it's the same shit. There's no way. Yeah, there was no way. The angle is 45. The angle is 45. It's 45. Huh. False. False has always been false. Let me just flip. At 45-degree angle. It shouldn't be hard. Why is it harder? One. Okay, so it's 1-1. No, it's fucking flipped. So I'm going 145. So it was like this, negative 145. That means I can do 1 instead. see. Else. There. That's weird. So 45-degree angle is false. Why this one? Scale dot x equals 1. Oh, well, entirely because I realized earlier if I get fucked up and I forgot out despite my hard running most games, well, it's actually kind of shit and I never noticed because I want to play old games, and so I just kept on going because I didn't want to admit I was wrong. Then I claimed reverse, so my message would be deleted. That's crazy. Oh, that's crazy. You didn't need to do all that. Face right. It's, wait, not face right. Oh wait, if it's not face right, but it's within the less than 90 or greater than negative 90. That's probably it. Okay. Now if I don't do the face player, please. It works. Oh my god, I think it actually works. The dashing actually works. I think. I just think. Also bots. Fuck. You could have just asked me to delete the comments. It actually works now. Oh my god. It works. The dashing works. So what I'm gonna do, yeah, when I'm have it, is just to dash it at 45-degree angles downward. So I don't have to fucking worry about the nuances. Whatever that is. I mean, if that's true, then I could have just fucking made it, you know. Whatever. Whatever. If I... Whatever. You know what? I just do that for like the future rework, I guess, whenever I'm good enough. Anything else before I go? It's a pretty late. Okay, at least I'm streaming for like damn near 3 hours, which is good. That's my stream time, I guess. I'm surprised that you're still here. Like, I don't know what the fuck you're doing, but I don't know why you're still here. And the other guy snacking, He's usually here. Are you like his body double or some shit? Probably. I don't know. I don't fucking know. Like you make some, like I'm assuming that no, he's super brain rotted. You don't act like him, or maybe you do, or maybe you're like under a different personality or some shit. No idea. It's a pretty epic and chill stream. It's too chill. I don't know. I wish to be funnier. I just am not. Usually when Snackin is here, we make some fucking brain rot bullshit. Like, I don't know. A bunch of fucking Jujutsu Kaisen, Chainsaw Man, perfect, you say? It's perfect. It's perfect. I remember I once watched someone solve this jigsaw puzzle for the stream for 3 hours. Good, you're actually watch. Good, your brain is not rotted from the social media and stuff. I'm gonna come back to stream tomorrow again. Right, since you're new, I haven't said anything about my stream schedule, but I don't have a stream schedule. I just stream whenever I have time. That's all. Anyhow, shit. What I need to do tonight? I need to keep track of what I need to do tonight. Best stream show of all. That's true. Yeah, let me double check my work schedule. I'm only working 3 days this week, which is fucking amazing. I'm free, motherfucker. Free, I say. Yeah. If it weren't for this new worker, I would have worked for an extra 2 days. I don't know why, but we have a lot of... We're getting busier for some fucking reason. Yeah. I don't know why we're getting busier. But thank God we have like an additional worker. I hope you have a great night. See you again soon. It's been fun. Thanks. Let me try to come up with something to work on tonight because I'm very scatterbrained at the moment. Let me write down in my private Discord. Tonight, what do I do? Flare. I need to write specifically what I need to do. Flares. I need to make it so that she... I was finding something to stream as part of watching the stream. People usually put the stream in the background. That's how it always works. I mean, I appreciate it. Like, I don't expect people to like watch me all the time since I consider myself, you know, fucking boring person. So people fucking lurk. Which, thanks for lurking. Tomorrow I'm definitely gonna stream more GameDev because I need to like grind the fuck out of GameDev, man. I'm super late because I've been playing. So last month I was playing Terraria, and yeah, last month I was playing Terraria, and then this month I was playing Ultra Kill. So you can see I got no... Yeah, and then right after Ultra Kill I played Portal, so... And then I draw bunny girls. or bunny girl, I guess. I draw a bunny girl, but I am not finished yet because, you know, I went on to play Portal. So after I update my game, I'm gonna continue that art piece. Do you have a deadline for your releases? Not exactly. It's more like a suggestion than a rule, I guess. I try to keep it as tight as possible. Like, I still give myself like a couple days as a grace time, but usually 3 days. But but since this month I've been like behind on a lot of stuff, I might delay the actual update itself to next month because I still need to do like sound effect and all that shit. Okay, tonight Flare's jump back mechanic. Gotta be on that grind, I guess. Yeah. Just make sure to take care of yourself, though. I do. If anything, I should be pushing myself harder because I've been like doing jack shit. I've been playing Ultra Kill off stream. If you've been checking on Discord, I've been playing Ultra Kill. First jump back mechanic. First jump back mechanic should be easy. I just make her jump back. Yeah. Okay. I need to make it so that she jump onto a point on the wall. Point herself at player. But okay, yeah, this is what I need to figure out, but I'm gonna try to write a pseudocode for this part. It's just a simple pseudocode, so I won't stay long. So suppose, okay, fuck, hold on. Suppose this thing is on the wall. I'm gonna set the animation to wall slide. Yeah, suppose this is wall slide, right? How do I make it so that it doesn't rotate more than... Okay, I think I got it. Get the rotation, I guess. Angle difference from to full float. Difference between two angles. No, that can't be right. Alright, hold on. It's not angle difference. Hold on. I just need to figure out a function. I know I say I'm leaving soon, but hold on. I just need to figure this one out. I just need to know what's available to me before I end stream so that I can continue working on this tonight. Get angle to. Get angle to. What is this? Get angle to. Returns angle between the node and a point in radius. Let's see also look at. Look at rotate the nodes. Okay. Get angle to. Returns the angle between the node and the point in the radius. Get angle to parent body dot player. Dot global position. Parent body dot get angle to. And then I'll do a current. it turns into radiant, right? And then radiant rad to degree, this. Negative 100. Okay, I got it. So, okay, so jump onto a point onto the wall, point yourself at the player. If angle is bigger than certain number, set angle to that number. There we go. Alright, I'm done. That's all I need to know. I usually raid, but you know, I don't really feel like it tonight. Also, as much as when creating a file, it sends you back to the file selection screen when you're done instead of starting the game. It's not that much of an issue, but something to consider. This is a try. I'm not making it out here. It's huge success. Huge. It's huge. Let me read that shit again. Also, when creating a file, it sends you back to the file selection screen when you're done. Instead of starting the game. Let me try that. Ah, shit, the fucking layout. Right, I have 6 available. Okay, 5. Yeah, I have 5 available characters in. Wow, Mume and Crony is the only button where like it shrinks. That's horrible. Mume. This Secret 6 character, I haven't released it, so bear with me. Right. And then that's... I don't know. I don't know if I should take it as a suggestion because I think it's just a personal preference, I guess. I don't know. It depends. Do people notice it? Or do people like find an inconvenience in it? Anyway, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna raid tonight since there's no one to raid. Alright, I'm gonna try to come back tomorrow the same time. I don't know if you're gonna be here at like fucking... I'm gonna be here a little earlier at like... Your time would be 5 AM actually, because today I'm streaming like exceptionally late. I usually stream at 8 my time. So for you, it would be 5 something. You're gonna have a good night. I really hope to see you soon. Thanks. I'll try to come back tomorrow at 8 my time, which is 5 AM your time. I don't know what you're doing up at 5 AM. Hopefully the other guy is here, so we are gonna have like a fun time. Probably not, since he's not here today. Alright. I will see you tomorrow. Hopefully, unless my fuck ass coworkers ask me to cover.